Hello, this is Quinn from Meal Planner Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how you can calculate nutrition for recipes from your favorite food sites with the click of a button by installing our nutrition calculator clipper. So, first thing you need to do is navigate to mealplannerpro.com/recipe nutrition booklet. There's a little hyphen in between each of those words. Once you're there, installing is pretty much as simple as grabbing this little orange button here, dragging it onto your toolbar. So I'm in Google Chrome here. If you don't see this toolbar, click on the three dots, go down to bookmarks, and make sure show bookmarks bar is selected. If it's not, it'll look sort of like that. So you'll need to select it. I'm going to briefly show on Firefox as well. So here I am on Firefox. Here it's pretty much the same thing. I grab it, drag it up here. If you don't see that bar, right click sort of right between the search and the URL bar, right click and make sure bookmarks toolbar is selected. At the moment we support Firefox and Chrome. We're working on support for Safari and Internet Explorer, but that's not ready quite yet. You can email us for more information by scrolling down to the bottom of our website and clicking on Contact. Okay, so now that we are installed, you can navigate to one of your favorite recipe websites. We support all sorts of recipe websites. So here I am on marthastewart.com, and basically all I need to do is go ahead and click Nutrition Calculator. If I'm not logged in, I'll need to log in, but I am logged in here, so it's going to calculate the nutrition info for me. As soon as that's done, there it is. So there's all my nutrition facts for this particular website, this particular recipe. Additionally, we have all the tags up here. I can change the servings if I want. And I will also demonstrate if you want to save the recipe, you can click Save Recipe. What that's going to do is it's going to bring it right over to your Meal Planner Pro recipe box. So here it is here on Meal Planner Pro. I'm going to click Save Recipe there. And now if I go to my recipe box, which is right here, it's going to be there for me. So that's pretty much it. If you have any additional questions, we'd be happy to answer them. Just get in contact us. Once again, that's at the contact at the bottom of the page. Thanks.